Gandhi Nagar Vidhana Sabha constituency. Gandhi Nagar Vidhana Sabha constituency is one of the 224 constituencies in the Karnataka Legislative Assembly of Karnataka, a south state of India. It is also part of Bangalore Central Lok Sabha constituency. Member of Legislative Assembly, Mysore State, 1951, D. Venkatesh, Indian National Congress 1957, Nagaratna Mahayarmath, Indian National Congress 1962, Nagaratna Mahayarmath, Indian National Congress 1967, Nagaratna Mahayarmath, Independent 1972, K. S. Reeramulu, Indian National Karnataka State, 1978, K. Lakshman, Indian National Congress Indira 1983, M.S. Narayana Rao, Janata Party 1985, M.S. Narayana Rao, Janata Party 1989, R. Dayananda Rao, Indian National Congress 1994, B. Muniappa, All India Anna Dravid